Hi and welcome again. Today we are going to talk about ASP.NET Core API with Flutter. So I'm sure everyone knows what's mean ASP Core API. We have done many videos about it, but today we are doing something new. It's Flutter. So today in this video, what we are going to do, I will just give a small introduction about Flutter. It will be very briefly. After that, I will show the plan what we are going to do in the next videos. Actually, I don't have 100% a plan for it, but I have something in my mind. We can do it together. So the next slide, the plan what I'm thinking to do, it will be something same like this graph as you see. It will be the back end will be ASP.NET Core API. It could be with the SQL Server database, or we'll leave it in memory. So we'll think about it, but we'll try to do the API in the proper way, so we can lead people to learn more about ASP.NET Core too. Same time we'll learn about Flutter. So the front end, to connect our server and to show the end user the what we have in our database, or to show them as a list, or to add, delete, update, what we are trying to do in Flutter. So we'll talk now about Flutter. Let's try to say something very brief, and why Flutter, and what's the good things and bad things about Flutter. I think most of the things will be positive about Flutter, because something new and supported by Google. Not supported by Google, it's provided by Google or made it by Google. So that things make it strong. Why? Because we know Android is by Google. So they're trying to do something new, or let's say new programming language, this which is Dart supported from Google. So now we have Dart and we have Flutter to create a new app, but this app will be a native app. So this native means the Google plan, or what they have now, is to make Flutter working on mobile and web and desktop. And I think they talk about embedded system will be, even will be an embedded system. So same app you created, it will be working in many places. We can say it's cross-platform, will be in many platforms. So Flutter, in one word, it's just as UI toolkit to build a beautiful application. So we'll see what's meant beautiful and how much easy to write the code in a Flutter, or let's say not in Flutter, in Dart. So the main keys with Flutter, or what they always try to market, they say in the marketing in Google about Flutter, they say it's fast. Actually, I have designed small app. It's not bad, it's good. I tried it with Android. It give you let's say better than what we saw in Java, especially when you try to connect servers or web servers or something like that. So sure, it will be something beautiful too, because they support a 2D design, so you can create something nice in it, and at the same time it will be fast and nice. They showed many things about it in Google website. And sure, it will be open source from Google. That's one of the good things. And the productivity. So they have many things in Flutter. So you as a developer, why you want to choose Flutter? They said it's fast development. What do you mean fast development? We'll see that in the next videos, but let me just give you a small hint about it. So they rely on something they call it widget. Widget, if you want to understand, it's something semi-class. This class you can call it everywhere you want it. So let's just say this widget will be button. So this button I can call it many places. I don't need to write whole button code and say this button to do this job and this job. No, just I call it by, let's suppose, saying the method name. I created method as a widget. After that I can call it everywhere. That's what I like about Flutter. It's more than dynamic, let's say. So about the flexibility with the UIs, we'll see that the design, I will not do many things in animation or something like that, but I will show you how to let's in the previous it's not in the previous, no, in Java and Android Studio, when you design it with Java, so you write your XML code, after that you write many things, it was too horrible, and link it after that with your classes. So here you write just once, you write it in your Dart file. This Dart file will generate the UI, and something very simple and very easy. So we'll try to see that in the next videos, and we'll try to design together the database, and we'll try it will be something small, say maybe it will be to do app, or something will make just records for one student record. We can add records and delete, update it. It will be something simple, but that will show you how Flutter is easy. At the same time, we said we'll show some people how the ASP.NET API work. So latest thing, it's the native performance. So the good things is to design one application, write the code is just once, and just compile it to work in Android and iOS. I'm just talking about Android and iOS now. It's something similar, to nothing different between them. Same performance, same UI sometimes. Depend on you how you like it. So these things make it easy for you and make it very, very, let's say, productive for you. I will not talk too much now. In the next video, I'll try to make every week one video. I will show you the steps, what we'll do step by step. We'll create, as I said to you, the database. After the database, we'll create our API. After that, we'll start with the Flutter. We'll try to do, each video will be 10 minutes, no more than 10-12 minutes maximum. I will not talk how to install or set up the Flutter. What we'll use with it, we'll use Visual Studio Visual Code. It's easy you can find many videos about it. I will try to find something and put in the description below. You can find how to install Flutter. It's just very simple. Just copy the file from flutter.dev and pass it in your C driver. It's very simple and very easy, and describe it even there. I'll try to put the link how they do it. I think that's everything. Maybe you can mention one more things about Flutter. Who is using this Flutter now in the market? So in the website they mention Alibaba. Alibaba, it's one of the biggest company in the world. They're using Flutter. So I'm not just saying Alibaba, it's one of the biggest company. So, but they have too many users. Let's say by millions, they're using this app. So I don't think so. Alibaba, they will choose something new. It just goes by Google. No, they know what they are choosing. This one of the companies who's using now Flutter. You can download Alibaba from Google Play, and you can see how is it nice and how the UIs and everything's working nice. So now I think in the market, Flutter 1.7 still new. It's a few months ago they released the first version. Still not everything supported, but it's nice to learn it from the beginning. You can in the future will be strong, and you will know everything's in the Flutter. So see you in the next video. As I said, I will create the database and the API. After that, we'll go to Flutter. See you in the next video. Bye bye.